Good morning, everybody. I have the pleasure to present Camilo Castellanos. He's a Colombian system engineer from Francisco de Paula Santander University. He also earned informatic project management from Universidad de Pamplona and a master's degree in Los Andes University. Throughout his incredible experience, he has worked in ICFES and he has taught undergraduate courses at Jorge Padilla Lozano. Within his achievements are a cum laude degree in his master's in Los Andes University, a paper published, an incredible family with his wife Luz and his son Sebastián. Currently he's working in Alianza Caoba and he's doing a PhD in Los Andes University. His research deals with the adoption of big data and data analytics architecture in medium-sized enterprises to decrease learning curves and time to market. So please join me to welcoming Camilo Castellanos.
Okay, hello everyone. So I'm going to talk about big data analytics. And okay, in order to introduce the topic, the idea here is how we deals with big data analytics every day. So we have an examples how have used Waze. Yeah. As you know, Waze is a app which try to recommend the best option to travel from one point to other point. So in order to offer this functionality, Waze had to capture all the information about the user. For example, the GPS position and for example, posting about specific events on the streets, like an accident, something like that. So, with this information, Waze has to build a model in order to combine this information and to offer an analytics model for predict the speed on the streets. And also with these future scenarios of the speed in each street, they can recommend you to the best option. Yes? Other example of big data analytics is Twitter. You post Twitter, I think, every day. In the idea with Twitter is comment or tweet a specific event or a situation or a hashtag in order to comment on a specific opinion in natural language. So over Twitter we have a lot of tools or company that offers sentiment analysis. The idea with sentiment analysis is analyze this unstructured text in order to define what is the feeling of the people about the topic. Yes? And the idea here is build a model to analyze this text and measure the feeling of the people. And sentiment analysis in Twitter is very useful, for example, in marketing campaigns or politics campaign in order to know how the people feels about that specific topic. So now we can explain in a formal way what is big data. Big data is a term to refer to a collection of data that can be described by three mainly features or characteristics: volume, variety, and velocity. Volume refers to data and scale. Maybe in your daily life you use gigabytes of information in your laptop. But in a big data environment, we have to deal with terabytes or petabytes of information. So a gigabyte is a billion of bytes, a terabyte is a trillion of bytes, and a petabyte is a quintillion of bytes. Yes? So we have to define a specific strategies to tackle with the problem of the volume. Yes? And the second one is the variety. Variety refers to different formats or forms that the data can have. For example, unstructured text, or images, or picture from Instagram, or audios, or yes, all this. So also we have to take specific decisions in order to analyze this unstructured information. The last one is velocity. Velocity refers data in motion. In order to have a better understanding that the velocity is, so we take a moment to see this picture. As you can see, we have a lot of information produced only in 1 minute on internet. For example, 11 million on instant messages and 98,000 tweets. So this is really fast. And now we're going to talk about analytics. Analytics is a set of techniques to discover, evaluate, and communicate meaningful patterns in the data. So the idea with analytics is how to extract hidden insights from the raw data. And frequently, we can classify the analytics in four types. Descriptive analytics, what happened in the past, obviously. Why did it happen? Diagnostic analytics. Predictive analytics, respond what will happen in the future. And the prescriptive analytics, how can we make it happen? The idea with the prescriptive analytics is to offer a best option in future scenarios, yes, using the predictive analytics. Now, we are going to define a formal way what is big data analytics. Big data analytics refers to a set of techniques and IT platforms to discover meaningful insights from the big data sources. So, big data analytics sounds great, but nowadays we have a lot of problems, or challenges to adopt big data analytics on the companies. The first one is lack of analytic skills, and the second one is lack of right technology. And about the analytics skills, the problem here is that we have a lot of analytics models, for example, classification, clustering, and regression models, that the guy with skills in statistics or mathematics has to build and evaluate in order to obtain more accurate models. The other problem is the big data technologies, because from the beginning of the big data in 2010, we have experienced a growing of the big data technologies. For example, this picture is from 2010, this picture is the 2014, and this picture is the 2016. So as you can see, we have a lot of tools and platform technologies in order to deal with these three V's of big data. So maybe you're asking, how my research is related to this topic? So our proposal is a framework to ease the big data adoptions, offering a layer between the no engineer guy or no engineer person, no technical person, and how, in order to express or to specify the big data or analytics problem, and how this framework can translate the problem, the specification, to a specific implementation over a technology platform. So, for this reason, we offer a high-level design language to describe or to specify the analytics. So, thanks for your attention, and do you have any question? Okay. Thank you.